Hey everyone, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I have another really fast video for you to show you how I made these amazing chocolate-covered strawberry mousse cakes. I love the look of these little miniatures because of the hidden strawberry surprise in each one, but of course you could also make this entire recipe into a full cake if you prefer. All the variations and the full recipe and the instructions are on my website as usual, so click the links below this video to go grab all of that. So the really cool thing about these miniatures is that I'm going to show you how to make them with no special tools or molds. Okay, well let me correct that to say that you will need these acetate cake strips, and that's just to get a super clean look and ease of molding after the mousse sets. But other than that, I'm just using jumbo muffin molds to form these desserts rather than those expensive metal cake rings. And right here, I'm only making 4 of them today, but on the website, I will have the recipe adjusted for 8 individuals or 1 larger 8-inch cake. Alright, so you will need a layer of cake that I've baked ahead of time, and I'm just cutting out the discs to the same size as my molds. Next, a small amount of melted ganache is going to stick those chocolate dipped strawberries in place. Now, my vegan chocolate mousse recipe is so easy and so incredibly good. All you need is a can of coconut milk for the whipped cream, and that is just the coconut fat that is scooped off the top of the can of coconut milk that has been refrigerated. Look at this magic! It's instant coconut whipped cream right out of a can. So set that aside, and then you're going to get the aquafaba whipping to firm glossy peaks. Now if you guys don't know what aquafaba is, it is literally just the water from a can of chickpeas, and you could also actually make your own aquafaba just from boiling dried chickpeas. It's the leftover water from the boiled off chickpeas. And it happens to make a beautiful meringue just like egg whites. Now the vegan chocolate gets melted, and to that I'm adding some agar powder to the hot coffee. If you've ever worked with agar, you know that you do have to keep it warm or else it will immediately set whatever you add it to. So that's why I keep it in a pan of hot water until the very last moment. So I do have to work quickly here once I add it to the chocolate. Just whisk it smooth and it gets so nice and thick and glossy. Now fold in that reserved coconut whipped cream. And then the whipped aquafaba. And that's it. There's your chocolate mousse. Now divide that up into the prepared molds and then get it to the refrigerator to set. It's not going to take long, like literally less than an hour. And then you can get to unmolding them. They are pretty easy to work with. You just do have to be gentle. The hardest part was getting this tape off of here so I can unmold the acetate strip. And then I decided to sprinkle each one with cocoa powder for that velvet cocoa look. Now you could just forget this part of it and cover each one with ganache if you prefer, but I really love this look. A rosette of ganache on each one, and strawberries cut in half look similar to hearts. And we all know 2 hearts are better than 1. So with that surprise chocolate dipped strawberry inside, you are ready for Valentine's Day with these perfect chocolate truffle mousse cakes. Actually, these are perfect all year. Who am I kidding? So I really hope you will try this recipe. Be sure to head over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab all the recipes you'll need to pull this off. And thank you so much to everyone for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing here to my channel. And don't forget to comment too. I love reading all of your comments, and I always do answer each one. You guys have no idea just how much that interaction helps out this channel, so please don't be quiet. Speaking of helping the channel, a great big thank you as always to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the continued support each month. If you want to help too, click the links below to check out my Patreon page. Alright everyone, stay tuned for the next one. I've got another really cool video coming out soon. So again, be sure to subscribe here to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you won't miss a thing. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.